What happens to your body when you eat peaches every day? Peach fruit is a sweet, juicy, and fuzzy skin fruit from the Prunus persica tree. Originally native to China, peaches are part of the stone fruit family, meaning they have a large pit or stone inside. They are loved for their delicate flavor, soft texture, and impressive health benefits. Peaches are more than just sweet and juicy. They're packed with powerful nutrients that your body craves. But what really happens when you start eating them every single day? From boosting your skin glow to improving your digestion, the results may surprise you. Stay tuned to discover why this fruit deserves a spot in your daily diet. Here are 10 peach fruit health benefits. Join me, guys, up until and Ethel Allera here. What happens to your body when you eat peaches every day? The top reason: rich in antioxidants, helps fight free radicals and reduce inflammation. What happens to your body when you eat peaches every day? The second reason: good for digestion. High fiber content supports a healthy gut. What happens to your body when you eat peaches every day? The third health benefit that we can get: boosts immunity. Vitamin C helps strengthen the immune system. What happens to your body when you eat peaches every day? The fourth health benefit that we can get: supports skin health. Peaches help maintain hydration and elasticity. What happens happens to your body when you eat peaches every day? The fifth reason promotes heart health, contains potassium and bioactive compounds that support cardiovascular health. What happens to your body when you eat peaches every day? The sixth reason aids in weight management. Low in calories but high in nutrients and fiber. What happens to your body when you eat peaches every day? The seventh reason improves vision, contains beta carotene and vitamin A for eye health. What happens to your body when you eat peaches every day? The eighth reason detoxifying properties, helps cleanse kidneys and bladder. What happens to your body when you eat peaches every day? The ninth reason may reduce cancer risk. Rich in polyphenols that may protect against certain cancers. What happens to your body when you eat peaches every day? The last reason, or the 10th reason, keeps you hydrated. High water content helps maintain hydration in hot weather. So far, we've talked about how peaches support digestion and immunity. But there's more. Let's dive into some lesser known benefits, like how peaches can protect your heart, enhance hydration, and even support healthy weight loss. Keep watching you might want to stock up on peaches after this. Who knew this soft, fuzzy fruit could do so much good for your body? Whether fresh, frozen, or in smoothies, eating peaches daily can be a simple, delicious way to support your health. Don't forget to like this video, thumbs up, subscribe for more wellness tips, and share it with a friend who loves fruits as much as you do. See you in the next video. Let's stay connected. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button for you to get updated on the next video. Stay well and keep glowing. Ethel Allera here is signing off.